Are you looking for a state-of-the-art interior designing for your home or office? Are you afraid to order interior products online because you are not sure they will go along with the walls and design of your home? Then don't worry, because Performance Decoria has got your back. We are an all-inclusive company providing complete home interior solutions for you. At Performance Decoria, we display our products at the experience centers. The customers can have a touch and feel of our products. Our every showroom has a dedicated interior designer to handle all your design requirements. Our experience centers provide a virtual reality facility for the customers to have an idea of what their home interior will look like. At our online portal, you can also design our own interiors using our advanced online tool. We have enlisted the numbers of designers in our portal, so customers can view their portfolio and contact them for consultation. For more information, contact us today.